You wouldn't believe it. You really wouldn't.
Well, while you were out entertaining, I've been here finding out about your street corner. Vale, I think your friend Wayne is really screwed up.
More good news.
Here.
Oh, my God. His parents were murdered in that alley. That's why he went there.
Poor kid watched the whole thing happen in front of him.
Look at the look on the face. It was the same in front of City Hall.
What do you suppose something like this does to a kid? Vale, don't get personal!
Alfred, did you get the file on my parents?
It's on your table, sir.
Thank you. What's on your mind, Alfred?
I have no wish to fill my few remaining years grieving for the loss of old friends or their sons.